So, like with backgrounds and textures and pictures and these types of things, media has its own set of issues to be aware of. It's quite simple to add media to your presentation, but you need to consider several things. So I'd like to convey to you some best practices and general things to keep in mind when adding media to your presentation. So media can be added in two forms. You can either take a video and you can insert it into your presentation so that the actual file is embedded in your presentation. That's going to add to the file size. Or you can link to it. So let's talk about linked ones first. Now, when you link a video, you might link to YouTube or something like that. You need to be aware that where you're going to be presenting or the medium through which you're going to be delivering the presentation can support an online video. For example, if you take your presentation to a location without Wi-Fi access and you have no network access, your YouTube video is not going to play. All right, so be aware of that. Also, beware of the quality of the video that you're importing. Is that video going to display properly if projected onto a 20-foot tall display from a huge projector? Or is it going to get so pixelated and the resolution so poor that it's going to be horrible to watch? Keep these things in mind. Let's say we have something that's embedded. All right, be aware of the file size. Now, we'll talk later in this course about how to adjust your videos and trim out extra and resize and change the resolution to save space, how to package it up onto a CD to distribute it. But be aware of that. When you adjust the size of your videos, do it proportionally. If you resize and maybe squeeze down the width of your video, you might find you end up with tall, skinny people that look all distorted. So, quite a myriad of things to be aware of. Don't just think that because it's there, I can just throw in videos and everything's going to be great. Think consistency, think presentability, think delivery mediums. Think about all these things when you add the videos to your presentation. With that said, let's go ahead and take a look at adding some audio and video links and embedded into our photo album.